Hello guys, in today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best 4K Laser Smart TV projectors available on the market. We made decisions our personal preferences and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability, and repetition of the manufacturers. Check the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. BenQ V7050i. The BenQ V7050i is a low-maintenance and user-friendly home theater projector. It's designed to repel dust and has a lamp lifespan of up to 20,000 hours, so it doesn't need frequent upkeep. Setting it up is a breeze too, with an ultra-short throw distance that will produce a massive picture from just about a foot away. The picture quality of the V7050i is impressive too. It uses HDR-PRO tone mapping to optimize the color and contrast of the image. The wide color gamut and filmmaker mode brings cinema-level quality to movies. While it's not the brightest projector on the list, its short throw limits the impact of ambient light. You'll still want to have good curtains for your windows, but you won't need to turn all the lights off to watch. The BenQ V7050i comes with an Android TV dongle for streaming. Keep in mind you'll need to use one of the HDMI ports for it, which can be a bit annoying if you have lots of devices, especially since it only has 2 HDMI inputs total. Having said that, it is wirelessly equipped and can mirror content from devices, so it still has ample connectivity for many users. Number 2. Samsung LSP7T. The Samsung LSP7T is an excellent projector for those who want all-in-one performance. Its 2.2-channel sound system has dual woofers and mid-range drivers, providing a balanced and clear sound across the frequency range. With 30 watts of power, it puts out enough volume to fill any viewing area. The LSP7T also has built-in wireless connectivity and comes with a Hisense Smart TV system. It supports popular streaming apps like Prime Video, Apple TV, and YouTube, letting you watch your favorite content with a streaming stick or other content source. With its powerful processor and vivid picture, the Samsung LSP7T produces a clear, colorful image on any white surface, whether that's a white wall in your home or a bedsheet hung up in the backyard. Since it doesn't need a screen, this makes the LSP7T one of the few projectors you can use straight out of the box, no extra accessories needed. Setting up the Samsung LSP7T is relatively easy as well. Its throw distance is short even by laser projector standards. It only needs about 1 foot of distance for a 100-inch screen, giving it a lot of versatility for different spaces and setups. While it doesn't have the lens shift or keystone correction options you'll find on other projectors, its ultra-short throw eliminates the need for them in most homes, so for most that won't complicate the installation in any way. Number 3. Optoma CinemaX P2. The upgrade of the Optoma P1, the P2 matches its best features and adds some new features that will make it an even better choice for some users. For image quality, the Optoma CinemaX P2 has to be seen to be believed. The native 4K resolution is supported by a dynamic black contrast ratio and over 1 billion displayable colors. Overall, it's truly cinema quality. You'll also get expanded smart home support with the Optoma P2. There are more custom commands available for voice control through Alexa or Google Home, and this allows for more complex routines and integration with other devices through IFTTT. Another benefit of the Optoma CinemaX P2 over its predecessor is that it's more responsive. The input lag is around 55 milliseconds. That's still a bit high for serious gamers, but for single-player games and casual gaming. Number 4. Hisense 120L9G. Most projectors require a few accessories, but with the Hisense 120L9G you'll get everything you need right in the box. This includes a 120-inch ambient light reducing ALR screen, picked to pair perfectly with the image produced by the projector for a clear, vibrant image in any setting. The Hisense 120L9G also has much better speakers than you'd expect from a projector. Dual full-range drivers are backed by 40 watts of power and Dolby Atmos sound, so many find they don't need an external sound system. Add in the Android streaming interface and you'll see why we call it an all-in-one entertainment package. The picture quality of the Hisense 120L9G won't let you down either. The colors are produced with a 3-laser TriChroma display that exceeds the BT.2020 color space, with MEMC technology for smooth on-screen action. It's just as smooth for gamers, with a low input lag that supports the latest games and consoles. While it's not the cheapest option on the list, this versatility makes it worth the investment if you want a projector that can do it all. Number 5. Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS500. When you buy the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS500 you get more than just a projector. It comes with a high-contrast ALR screen included, as well as the hardware you need to mount it. Since these screens sell for upwards of $1,000 on their own, that's a massive value add compared to other projectors on this list. The projector itself is equally impressive. It has a native 4K resolution and a high contrast ratio, which combine for a remarkably lifelike picture with sharp details and rich black levels. This is supported by the 10-bit HDR processing for color, displaying the full gamut of the Rec. 709 spectrum. Best of all, that color is produced by a 3-chip design rather than a color wheel, so you don't have to worry about image issues like the rainbow effect. We also appreciate how easy the EpiqVision's Ultra LS500 is to use. Its Android operating system has a simple, intuitive design and supports voice search through Google Assistant. You can also stream content right to the projector through many popular apps. Add in the low input lag for gaming and it's an all-in-one solution for all your home theater entertainment needs.